Hello children, welcome back to another exciting session with Risha Mam. So if you are planning to join your child for the online phonic classes, we have given the details here on the screen. You can get in touch with us. In today's class, we are going to learn about a superhero letter. Guess what? That's the magic E. Let's sing a magic E song. Oh, do you know the magic E, the magic E, the magic E? Oh, do you know the magic E? He can change the sound. I am A, I am E, I am O, I am A. I am A, I am E, I am O, A. Here I come to change the sound. A to A, E to I. Here I come to change the sound. O to O, R to U. Here I come to change the sound of all the vowels. So who is the superhero, children? It's the magic E. Can you say hi to the letter magic E? Hi E. Wow, that's so nice. Now let's see what is the magic that the letter E does to all the vowels. Let's begin. So children, what are the 5 vowels we have? A, E, I, O and U are the vowels. And letter A says A, I says E, O says O, U says A, and letter E is the superhero here. And do you know the rule of the magic E, children? It is a superhero letter that comes at the end of a word. Magic E doesn't make a sound but changes the vowel sound into its letter name. That's why we call it magic E. Let's try this magic E with all the vowels. Are you ready? Let's start. Look at this word, children. An, can. And what is the vowel here? Letter A. A says A, as in can. But when we have a magic E at the end of the word, it becomes cane. Can you read out this word along with me? Cap, cap, cap. When we have a magic E at the end, you have to read this A as letter A, as in ape, cape. Can you repeat it along with me, children? Cape. Let's move on to the next word. Dam, dam. When we have a magic E here, it becomes dame. Very good. Fat. And can you read out the new word now? Yes, that's fate. Gap. When we have a magic E at the end, it becomes gape. Hat. What is the new word, children? It's, yes, you're right. That's hate. Mad. Mad. And now it became made. Tap. Tap. And now tape. Rat. Rat. And now it is rate. Fad. Fade. Mat. Mate. Pal. Pale. Oh wow! We are done with the vowel A. Let's move on to the next vowel I. I says E as in bit. But when we have a magic E at the end, E changes to I as in bite. Dim. And now it becomes dime. Can you read out this word, children? Fin. And now fine. And here we have hid. And then hide. K-it. Kate. And when we have a magic E at the end, it becomes kite. Pin. Pine. Very good. This is P-I-P. Pip. Pipe. Read. Right. Rip. Rip. Ripe. Sin. Sign. Sit. Sight. Win. Wine. Wow, that's so lovely. You almost read everything right. Let's move on to the next vowel now, and that is letter O. What is the phonic sound of letter O, children? O. As in cod. Cod. But when we have a magic E at the end, the O sound changes to its name O. As in code. Then we have on. Corn. Cone. Cop. Cope. Dot. Dote. Hop. Hope. Lob. Lobe. Mod. Mode. Mop. Mop. Nod. Node. Knot. Note. Rob. Robe. Tot. Tote. And we have the last vowel letter U. U says as in cut. Now when we have a magic E at the end, the sound takes its name U as in cute. Dud. Dude. Tub. Tube. Cub. Cube. That's lovely. You almost read every word that a magic E changes. Wasn't it fun to learn the magic E words along with me today, children? I hope you really enjoyed the session.